It's the morning. I want to make breakfast. I've beaten this cage egg in this cupboard. I have this brown bread. I want to toast them and make French toast. I've already made these ones in the pan. Okay. This one already. Here. I'm also making tea. Usijali, ilikuwa inachemka karibu imwagike, so ndio maana inakaa. My lettuce. Okay, I got them from the farm, fresh from the farm. Wow. So hii ndio ilikuwa ya kwanza kusprout, so I thought let me just pluck it. I have this tomato. First I add salt to my tomatoes because hey. Okay, let's make this toast. So I'll just pick my bread here. I place some tomatoes. Place also some onions. Then add lettuce. Okay, because we don't need to talk, I'll just place them in. Then place on top. Okay, it's my first sandwich. Yeah. I'll just place onions, tomatoes, some onions, then my 2 lettuce, then curry. Yeah. And my sandwiches, I'll just make like that. I just want to put a little. I want to make pumpkin chapatis. I have this pumpkin, the leftover. I want to cut it and boil it first so that now I can make them chapati. I peeled it, I put in the water, added salt, now it's boiling. I boiled them. I want just to mash them like this using a fork because I can't blend them. I don't see the need of blending them. Yeah. Then I make my dough. I'll show you the dough later how it will turn out to be. Okay. I've just added salt and cooking oil, and this is my water. After mixing it, I'm using this dough flour for purpose. I'll just sprinkle it, then make dough. Okay. This is after resting. My dough after resting, keep leaving it to rest for 30 minutes. It looks like this. Now I want to make a big shape, smear cooking oil, roll, then make shapes. Okay, how I love my dough being like, you see, rolled into this big shape. Now I just want to cut them, then make 2 circle like, cut them shapes. I'm yet to make more. Let me show, these are my chapatis. so hot. They look like want to make chapatis. There is my dough. I'll make it fries too. Some of the fries before the rest get ready. So these are some fries, chicken, murima stew, rice, some chapatis. So I want to make mukimo. I've blended the greens, pumpkin leaves. I've blended them. I want to pour them to the mixture of maize and potato. My mukimo potatoes and some maize beneath. So I'll just pour up this after mashing. Mukimo too. So this is everything. Food. There is this rice, stew. It's a mixture of peas, potatoes, carrots, meat, beef, and other spices like coriander, courgette, all those. There is this chicken, wet fried. Can you peep the soup? There is this mokimo. I've wrapped it with the cling film. Mokimo there. Chapatis too. Gosh, the video is not taking them nice. They're so cute. Chapatis. There's the spoons and the forks, plates, fruits, some fries, and hot ketchup. This is my plate. There is rice, stew, a piece of chicken, fruit salad, mokimo, fries, and some chapatis. Imagine I went home. This one I was given just 1 liter of milk, fresh milk. Can you see that? A hen too. Can you see it inside there? Some purples and bananas. Can you see them? God bless my mama. Went to collect some yogurts for restock at this royal place. I've been mixed flavors. There is coffee, vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, everything. This one will last for a while. Thank you so much for watching. That's the end of the vlog.